But if you want to stay away from the law, this is the street you drive. This is Pico. Hey now, hanging around, feeling alright. Say now, settle it down, you're looking too tight. Hey you, what can you do? I'm gonna head east. Hey you, there's nothing to lose, you're gonna thank me. Take a slow ride, straight down Pico. Take a slow ride, straight down Pico. It's a slow drive, straight down. Hey, what do you do to get your head right? Leave the west side, taking a ride, don't get the red lights. Stay low, driving it slow, come up on the shore.